Alright, for those who might be new to the channel, I picked this up in the spring. I found it in the trash, and guess what? I think it works. And yeah, we're going to see how well this works, taking off 30 years of dirt that's accumulated on the back side of these windows. You can see there's definitely some dirt in here, but on the back side, man, they look pretty bad. I'll show you here in a bit. 30 years of dirt gone in seconds with a pressure washer we found in the trash. But yeah, all that blackness down here, this darkness, probably going to come off. Look how clean it looks up there, and then you get there. So hopefully it works. I don't know how these roofers do it, man. This thing is sketchy. So that's the difference. You'll see that middle piece is probably the darkest. Well, everything to the right was like that. I do have to get into that crack underneath there, but look how clean that looks. Wow, compared to this, which is some of the better stuff. Wow. That is crazy. There's Salsa. Probably not happy with me out here. Hey, Salsa. So you can see I need to repaint that corner over there. I got till about here. There's a huge bee's nest, wasp nest, something right in there, and they're just swarming like crazy. There's got to be 15 right now outside there, so this is about as far as I'm going today. I'm going to wait for a cooler day to finish this up, but man, this is looking amazing. Look at that. This was just pure black before. So I'm all finished here, I think, for today. It's a shorter video, kind of an anything goes video, but this looks amazing. Like I said, this looks great. 30 years gone in seconds. Should have done this a lot longer. I do have to repaint that. That doesn't look too good, but you guys know how those farmhouses go. Alrighty. I'm trying to get out, Salsa.